Have you ever experienced that annoying, constant ringing in your ears? Maybe it's a faint buzz that never goes away, or maybe it's so loud it's impossible to ignore. Whether it's after a concert, a long day at work, or even out of the blue, ear ringing, also known as tinnitus, can make everyday life feel frustrating. But what if I told you there's a completely natural way to fix it? A simple trick you can do right from home. This isn't some product you need to buy. No expensive doctor visits or prescription drugs. In fact, this natural remedy has helped thousands of people find relief from that never-ending buzz without leaving their house. If you're dealing with tinnitus, you already know how disruptive it can be. You try to focus on a conversation, but the ringing keeps pulling your attention away. You try to sleep, but that high-pitched sound just won't let you relax. It's like you can never escape it. For many, this is more than just an annoyance. It leads to stress, anxiety, and even depression. You might have already tried masking it with background noise or using earplugs, but none of those really fix the problem, do they? But what if I told you there's a natural solution, a simple technique that doesn't just mask the ringing, but can help calm it down for good? This isn't about throwing more noise into the mix. It's about addressing the root cause of the ringing in a natural way. And it doesn't take hours out of your day or complicated routines. It's something you can try right now at home. I've put a link in the description to a short video that explains exactly how this works and how you can start using it today. It's quick, it's easy, and most importantly, it's all natural. So if you're tired of living with that constant ringing in your ears, you need to check it out. Imagine waking up in the morning and noticing, for the first time in what feels like forever, that the ringing is quieter. Or even better, it's gone. You could focus without the distraction, fall asleep peacefully, and get back to enjoying the little things in life without that persistent buzz dragging you down. I know how frustrating tinnitus can be. It might even feel like you're running out of options, like nothing will work. But there's hope, and this natural fix could be exactly what you need to finally get relief. The best part, it's something you can do without needing to go anywhere or buy anything complicated. So, if you're ready to give this a try, go ahead and click the link in the description below. Watch the short video that explains exactly how this works and learn how you can finally find relief from that constant ringing, naturally from the comfort of your own home. You might be thinking, can something this simple actually work? I get it. It sounds almost too good to be true. But the reason this technique has been getting so much attention is that it's helping real people just like you find relief. People who thought they'd have to live with tinnitus forever. So, before you let another day go by with that ringing in your ears, click the link in the description, watch the video, and find out how you can start this natural fix today. Trust me, you're going to want to see this. Thanks for watching, and remember, you don't have to live with tinnitus forever. There's a natural way to take back control of your peace and quiet. Click that link, watch the short video, and give yourself the chance at relief.